Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to count stitches in your crochet projects. This is an essential skill for following patterns and ensuring your work is accurate. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Each crochet stitch looks like a little V at the top. Each V represents one stitch. The V is made up of two loops, the front loop and the back loop. So let's go to the start of this round and count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Use a stitch marker to mark the beginning of each round to keep track. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.